Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need mini and regular pony beads. You're also going to need some of these jumbo beads. You can find these at most craft stores. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and a long piece of string. And this is going to be the pattern. So I just used the balls out of, because these beads back here come pre-mixed. And depending on the size of your wrist, so this is the size I want to make mine, and then in between each ball you're going to put a pony bead, a regular size. Once you have the length that you like, you can tie this. And then you'll cut this off. And we're going to put your needle on here. And to start this, we're going to go through this pony bead. And we're going to add our pattern. So I'm going to put on clear, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, clear. Once you have those beads on, you're going to go to the next pony bead. Okay, we're going to add clear, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and clear. And we're going to go through the next pony bead. We're going to repeat that. And then you're going to go through this pony bead. Okay, so now you have an idea of what we're doing and what it looks like. You're going to go ahead and do that all the way around. I'm going to do that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last set of rainbow. We're going to go through this pony bead. And now we're ready to start another set here. So just use the same pattern, or if you want to switch it up, you can. And we're going to go through this clear. This is going to have a mind of its own, so just let it do its thing. We're going to add a clear, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So cool. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this row and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I added the last part of this row and I went through this bead here. Now, same thing we did before. I'm going to add my pattern. And you're going to go through this clear. Okay, so you're going to continue that all the way around, and then I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, I finished my last row and I came out, or I went through this bead here. Now you can just tie it to this outer string. And if you wanted to, you could keep going around to cover the balls, which would be pretty cool. But I just wanted to do 3 rows so you could see the ball. You could still see the ball, but you could completely cover the ball if you want to. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.